God is not done, your story is still being written by heaven. Please, as you are watching, type on the comment section, God is not done with me. There are moments when life makes you feel like the story is over. Like you missed your chance. Like your mistakes were too big, your losses too deep, your delays too long. You look at where you are and think, this can't be how it ends. And you're right, God is not done. What feels like an ending is often a turning point in God's hands. What looks like failure is often the foundation for something greater. God doesn't stop working just because you stumbled. He doesn't abandon His plan because you struggled. He doesn't cancel your future because of your past. Think of Peter. He denied Jesus 3 times, publicly, painfully, completely. To the world, his story looked finished. But Jesus restored him, recommissioned him, and used him to build the early church. Peter's failure wasn't the end, it was the setup for grace. Think of Elijah. After calling down fire from heaven, he fell into fear and exhaustion and asked God to take his life. But God didn't shame him. God fed him, rested him, and reminded him that his assignment wasn't finished yet. God was not done. Think of Lazarus. For days in the grave. Hope gone. Mourners everywhere. Yet Jesus showed up late, not because he forgot, but because he was about to reveal a greater miracle. Dead situations don't scare God. When God says a thing isn't finished, death doesn't get the final word. Maybe you feel delayed. Maybe you feel stuck. Maybe you feel like you failed too many times. Maybe you feel like everyone else moved ahead while you're still waiting. But hear this clearly, God is not done with you. If you're still breathing, He's still working. If you're still standing, there's still purpose. If your heart still hopes, there's still promise. God is shaping you in the waiting. He's strengthening you in the struggle. He's building character before release. Sometimes God hides the next chapter so you'll trust Him instead of the timeline. What looks unfinished is intentional. What feels slow is strategic. What seems broken is being rebuilt. Your story is not over. Your calling is not canceled. Your future is not ruined. God is still writing, still moving, still preparing something greater than what you've lost. So don't quit in the middle of the miracle. Don't walk away during the process. Don't judge the story before God finishes the chapter. God is not done, and what He's preparing next will be worth the wait. If you are blessed, please subscribe and ring the bell button and share. Thanks, and God bless you.